How to save Canva design to gallery on mobile. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to save Canva design to gallery on mobile. So first, just head over to your Canva application and make sure you are logged into your account. Now, I'll simply open up any of the project which I have already created. So you can basically click on this, click new project from, or you can also actually search in for the new templates over here. So I'll just simply click on this portfolio or resume which I had previously used as my project. So to simply save this to my gallery, what I will need to do is just click on this download icon at the top right corner, and you can see there's an option called save as image, and it will also automatically download or prepare your design to save it as an image. And once I do that, I can simply head back to my gallery just like this, and as you can see, the photo has been successfully saved to my gallery just like that. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.